Hello, welcome back to Sir Daniel's Maths and Science class. Today we have a simple maths question on the board. Let's solve it. So the question is saying we should solve for x in this exponential equation. So this equation is under indices. Yes, it is under indices. So we are supposed to solve for x in this exponential equation. So when you get an indices question like this, all that you have to think of is that you have to make the bases the same. This is the base, the 8, and then 1/4 is the base. You have to make the base the same so that you can equate the exponent and then solve for x. So the exponent is the x and then 3x plus 2, which can also be called power. So let's make the bases the same and then we equate the exponent and solve for x. So let's solve it. Okay, solution. So 1/4 to the power of x to be equal to a to the power 3x plus 2. Now, in indices, when you get a fraction like this, 1/4 can be rewritten as 4 to the power minus 1. Yes, 1/4 in indices can be written again as 4 to the power minus 1. So the same way when you get maybe 1/2, it can be again written as 2 to the power minus 1 from indices. Okay, so let's use that law to solve it. So 1/4 in indices can be written again as 4 to the power minus 1. Then we know that s is here, so it means the minus 1 will come and multiply the x. So that will give you 4 to the power minus 1 times x to be equal to a to the power 3x plus 2. Okay, let's solve it. So 4 to the power, this gives you minus 1 times s, gives you 4 to the power minus 1 times s gives you minus x. Then this gives you a to the power 3x plus 2. Again, we can change this one again. 4 can be again written as 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written again as 2 to the power 2 because 2 to the power 2 is 2 times 2, which will give you 4. So 2 to the power 2 is the same as this 4. And then minus s is here, so the 2 will come and multiply the minus x. Then this will give you a to the power 3x plus 2. Okay, then 2 to the power, we have 2 here multiplying minus s, which gives you 2 to the power minus 2x to be equal to a to the power 3x plus 2. Now, let's deal with this one also. So this gives you 2 to the power minus 2x to be equal to, then we know that 8 can be also written again as 2 to the power 3. Because 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which will give you 8. So 2 to the power 3, which will multiply the power here, which is 3x plus 2. Okay, so now we can see that the bases are the same. We have 2 and 2 here. So let's equate the exponent. So when you reach here, you write equating the exponent. Equating the exponent. Or equating the powers. So the powers now is negative 2x, which will give you negative 2x to be equal to, and then this one is 3 here, multiplying 3x plus 2. So we have equated the powers. So let's solve for x. So this gives us negative 2s to be equal to, then 3 multiplies 3x to give us 9x. Then 3 also multiply 2 to give us 6. So it gives us minus 2x equal to 9x plus 6. Now let's group like terms. So minus 2x, then this one will cross the sign to give us minus 9x to be equal to the 6. So minus 2 minus 9x give us minus 11x to be equal to 6. Now we want s, so we can divide here by negative 11. So here over negative 11, here also by negative 11. So that's minus 11 will cancel minus 11. Then we get x to be equal to 6 out of minus 11. So s equals 6 out of minus 11. So if you found this helpful, like, comment, subscribe for the next episode. Thank you.